ArchMed Torque manufactures a full line of silicone handle instruments. We offer just plain handles, we offer ratcheting handles, we offer fixed handles and torque limiting handles as well. We've got a new ratcheting mechanism that came out about a year ago that has 60 teeth, so it's very, very smooth. It also ratchets in forward and reverse motion. We have a cool new low profile handle. It saves room in the tray and makes it easier for cleaning and fitting all of the instruments into the tray, and also decreases the weight of the instruments, which is very important when you've got the nurses carrying the trays. You want to make sure that they're light enough for people to move around the hospital.